Hey everyone! Welcome back to Sai Recipes. Today, I'm showing you how to make the perfect roast turkey for Christmas dinner. This classic dish will be the star of your holiday table, and I'll guide you through every step to make it juicy, flavorful, and golden brown. Let's get started. First things first, we have our turkey here. You want to make sure it's thawed and ready to go. I like to remove the giblets and pat it dry with paper towels to get a nice crispy skin. Now, let's season. I'm using a blend of butter, garlic, rosemary, thyme, salt, and pepper. Don't be shy with the seasoning. You want the turkey to be full of flavor. Next, I'm stuffing the turkey with some aromatics like onions, lemons, anchovies, and herbs. This adds even more flavor from the inside out. Now, let's truss it up. This will help the turkey cook evenly and look beautiful when it comes out of the oven. Into the oven, it goes at 325 degrees F, and you'll want to roast it for about 13 minutes per pound. Make sure to baste it every 30 minutes for that golden, crispy skin. After a few hours, check the internal temperature. It should be 165 degrees in the thickest part of the breast. Once it reaches that, we're done. Look at this gorgeous bird. Crispy on the outside, juicy on the inside, it's a showstopper. Now, all that's left is carving and serving it up for your holiday feast. This roast turkey is the perfect centerpiece for your Christmas dinner. I hope you give this recipe a try. And if you do, be sure to tag me on social media. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click that bell for more delicious holiday recipes. Merry Christmas and happy cooking!